Alright guys, so here I am with another video, and I just want to show you all the things you're going to need for this video. I'm going to start by making the macaroni first. So I'll just show you the spices that you're going to need for the crab patty. And today I didn't get crab, I got this chub mackerel because it was like $1 something. This is crab cake mix. Of course I got tartar sauce. These are the spices I just wanted to show y'all. This is the onions, crushed red pepper, minced garlic. This is fish seasoning. It doesn't have salt in it, so I thought I'd try it out. And of course celery salt. It's just something I grew up eating inside of my seafood and stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna start off by making the macaroni because this is basically my dinner. So for the macaroni, I'm just gonna fill this with some water. And I think it only takes about probably 2 minutes to start cooking. So I probably just leave it in for 3 because I want to start on the Crabby Patties. And I usually add like flavors to it after I add the cheese packet. So I'll show you what I put in mine. Hopefully it doesn't burn. So here I have the chub mackerel, and I'm just gonna put this in another bowl because it's kind of a lot. So I don't know how much this calls for. It says, let's see, it says mix the crab cake classic and mayo in a large bowl. Add the crab meat. Let's see, so how much crab meat it would take would be 1 pound. So this is enough. And it says to add a half a cup of mayo. I don't have mayo, but I think I know what I want to put in there instead. So let's get this open. So I'm gonna rinse this can real fast. Okay, pro tip: use real utensils and like way bigger bowls and stuff because mine apparently was too small. Can opener. Here we go. I'm not sure if I should drain it first. Like, maybe I should drain it first. The first thing I want to put is seasoning. So I'm going to add some hot, spicy red pepper flakes, and this is just to impress you guys. So this is garlic. I know all my seasonings are gonna smell like fish in a minute. So here's the onion. Okay, and here's the what is this fish? The actual fish seasoning. This is the celery salt. Just add a bit because it has salt in it. Guys, the mac is almost done. You don't believe me. This is it. Bear with me here. I really am having trouble seeing this little serrated piece. Look at that little thing. This is what I done. Put this to the side because I just want to season it proper. And well, if you don't know me, I love herbs and can't get enough. So here's that. Yeah. So I'm gonna chop this up. So I'll put that to the side right now so we can finish at least one thing, right? Here we go. In goes the cheese mix. So I'm just gonna crush up some crackers. I have this butter salt. I put water in, microwaved it a little bit. So I think I'm gonna put the crackers in there. Mix it around. Let's see. Put some crackers in. And I actually have some mustard dressing. I don't have like mustard on right now, so I'm just gonna put the mustard dressing in there. The last bit I put some lime juice in there just to get it all out and use it. I'm gonna mix this up. So let me put some water in here. And I want to make like plain macaroni and cheese, guys, but to be honest, I like to season mine up. And so I don't know what to tell you, like, except like if you know how to make macaroni and cheese, if you don't know how to make macaroni and cheese, just stick to the basics, like whatever you like eating. It doesn't have to always be hard. Like for me, when I just follow the recipe in the back of a box, like it comes out like how do you say, nostalgic? And when you make it all fancy and stuff, it's like, you know, it's dinner, like, you know what time it is. But I also like to eat once in a while just something simple and something basic, because, you know, it brings you back to the good times. And speaking of which, I bought some garlic pepper, and I'm just gonna add that much because it has a lot of salt in it, and I'm just trying to flavor up my mac and cheese, guys. And so I give it a good stir, and this goes back into the microwave. So that's that, and it'll be out in a minute. And I have some Caesar dressing, so I'll just add a bit of Caesar dressing. And this whole thing's supposed to go in there, so see how I do. It looks good. Oops. I'm gonna get a new one. So this is the mac and cheese. This is how it came out. And I have bacon bits. I'm just gonna throw on some bacon bits. So I threw my macaroni and cheese in for 15 more seconds, and just to get that bacon flavor out. I'm just gonna put some water in this. More of the dressing. And this looks good, like I can see making patties with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if they stick together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lemon juice in here. I got this. So I just mixed it up until it was real minced and real sticky. And I'm just gonna form it into a patty here, as you can see. I kind of want a bigger patty, but let's see. And so it's going in, and so this is my Crabby patty. I'm gonna save the rest in the fridge because it's just me. And so I don't know how long it takes in the microwave. I'm just gonna put it in for about 2 minutes. See how it does. Probably 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in for 3 minutes. Make sure it's fully cooked through. And I'll be back, guys, with my dinner. So, mac and cheese, Crabby patty, and this is what it looks like. Make sure that yours is cooked thoroughly. Make sure the meat's cooked thoroughly. The mac and cheese. And some tartar sauce. So there you have it, folks. Dinner is served. Like, subscribe, and comment. Here comes some hot sauce because you know how I do it. Just gonna put a little bit more. For the taste test. So the Crabby patty, it's real flaky and it's really good. And taste the mac and cheese. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on that too. But it is really good, guys. The Crabby Patty. I hope you like the recipe. It tastes really good. Like, I'd eat it like as in place of a hamburger. You can put some cheese on it, lettuce, tomato, all that. It tastes really good. Thanks for watching.